I'm YCC from GroupB6. Today our topic is robot jobs and manufacturing equipment and industry level macro analysis. Now the next slide shows our team member and work on the introduction and research. Chen Jing works on data collection and methodology. Liu Xianhuang is team leader and works on the conclusion. Next, this slide shows the background. Many countries use more industrial robots in factories. Robot density has grown fast in the past 10 years, and the production has been reorganized, but past research does not agree on the job impact. Some studies say robots reduce routine jobs. Some say the effect is more accurate. Also, countries have different wage levels, technology, and labor supply, so the results are not the same. Next, we move to our objective. The first objective is to study the basic link between robot density and the manufacturing employment. The second objective is to see if medium and high-tech industry change this link. The third objective is to test if wage level may be impact stronger or weaker. Next, this slide shows key findings. In the US, robot cuts routine jobs. In Europe, robot raise productivity and wage, but job impact stay weak. High-wage countries replace robot more, while low-wage countries face less pressure. Robot change tasks, not only job member.
Hello everyone, I'm Chen Jing from GroupB6. Today I'm going to briefly present the methodology and key findings of our project. First, about our data and variables. We build a panel dataset that for multiple countries from 2012 to 2022, combining robot data from IFR, employment and wage data from ILO, and demographic controls from the World Bank. Our independent variable is the manufacturing employment rate, measured as the share of manufacturing jobs in total employment. The co-explanatory variable is lagged robot density, and we also include two moderators, the high-tech manufacturing share and average manufacturing wage, plus demographic control variables. Next, we estimate a panel linear fixed model with country random intercepts and yield fixed effects to control for unobserved heterogeneity and common shocks. Interaction terms between robots and the two moderators are added to test our three hypotheses on the baseline effect, high texture, and wage level. For H1, the coefficient of net robot density is significantly negative. This means that, on average, higher robot density is associated with a lower manufacturing employment share. For H2, the interaction between robots and high-tech share is positive. In other words, a higher share of medium and high-tech manufacturing weakens the negative impact of robots on employment. For H3, the interaction between robots and wages is negative. Robots reduce manufacturing employment more strongly in high-wage countries, while in low-wage countries, the effect is much closer to neutral. Robustness checks using current robot density and nominal wages give very similar results, so our conclusions are stable. Overall, the robots tend to reduce manufacturing employment, but industrial upgrading can mitigate this. Various higher wages amplify the job-reducing effect.
Everyone, good day. My name is Liu Xianhuang. Now I will talk about the policy implications and the limits of our study. So first, our results suggest that blocking robots is not a good way to protect jobs. Instead, governments should support industrial upgrading and medium and high-tech manufacturing where robots can complement skilled workers. And second, in high-wage countries, robots are more likely to replace workers. So these countries need strong policies for retraining and social protection. Third, all countries should plan ahead by building digital and engineering skills, so people can work with robots instead of competing with them. For the final slide, our study has some limits. We only use country-level data from 2012 to 2022, so we cannot see difference across industries or skill groups, and the results showed partners, not stricter causality. Future work can use firm or worker-level data to study these effects under different labor market rules. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.